In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Google Drive video to Google Slides in just 2 minutes. This is a useful skill if you want to make your presentations more dynamic and engaging by incorporating multimedia elements. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Drive account and navigate to the search bar at the top. You can type in Type Presentation to find all your saved presentations easily. This is a quick way to filter through your files and access your Google Slides documents without having to sift through everything else you might have stored in Google Drive. Once you have your list of presentations, it's time to select the specific slide deck you want to add the video to. Click on the presentation to open it up and prepare your slides for a little multimedia enhancement. With your presentation open, look to the top of the page for the navigation menu. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. What we're interested in here is the Insert option. Click on that and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with a range of options for things you can add to your presentation. From that menu, find and click on the Video option. This opens up a dialog box that gives you different choices for inserting video. Since our aim is to insert a video that's already in Google Drive, choose the Google Drive tab within this dialog box. Now what you will see is a list of all available video files saved in your Google Drive. Browse through this list and select the video you would like to use in your presentation. You can preview the video here if needed, just to ensure it's the right one for your needs. Once you have confirmed your choice, go ahead and click on the video to select it. With your video selected, look back to the dialog box. You should now see an option that says Insert at the bottom right corner. Click on that button and the video will be embedded directly into your selected slide. At this point, you've successfully added a video from Google Drive into your Google Slides presentation. You can resize and reposition the video on the slide as needed, making sure it fits perfectly with your layout and design. This will ensure your presentation remains visually balanced and appealing. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to seamlessly integrate videos into your slides from Google Drive, adding a new layer of engagement and information to your presentations. With just a few simple steps, you've turned a static slide presentation into an interactive experience. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.